Lupa Zalupa, welcome to my yoga session. Roll out your mat and become a baddie with me. Please subscribe to the channel so I can become the #1 yoga baddie in the world. Alright, first we're going to do a gentle stretch. Make sure to breathe through your nose and concentrate on stretching your muscles. Press your hands and feet firmly into the mat, lift your hips upward, and breathe deeply while fresh circulation flows through your body and leaves you feeling refreshed and glowing. Lie softly on your stomach, lift your chest with gentle support from your hands, and inhale slowly as your posture opens. Kneel comfortably. Arch your chest upward and breathe fully while your body stretches open and your morning energy rises with confidence and beauty. Fold your upper body toward the floor. Let your head relax completely and breathe deeply while tension drains away and blood flow refreshes your face and mind. Balance calmly on one leg. Bring your hands together at your heart and focus on smooth breathing while your body feels graceful, steady, and peaceful. Lie on your back, lift your hips toward the ceiling and breathe slowly while your chest opens and your body feels energized, toned, and refreshed. Gently lift your chest upward. Relax your neck softly and take long deep breaths while your heart opens and your body feels light, radiant, and awake. Bend your body on the mat as shown and breathe through your nose. Now to relax your body, sit calmly like a lotus flower. You're now feeling so calm that nothing will bother your mood all day. You're such a baddie. Subscribe for more yoga sessions. I'll see you around.